In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render a space alien character. I'll post a link to this tutorial's starting blend file, PBR images and the reference image in the description below. Let's create a cylinder and scale it. We need to extrude and bevel with Ctrl+B. Please remember to use the mouse wheel to add more details like this. Let's duplicate the head mesh to create the glass mesh and scale it. We can hide the glass mesh with H for now. Let's add more loop cuts with Ctrl+R. Please remember to use the mouse wheel to add more loop cuts. Let's remove the left side of the mesh, as we only need half of the mesh. Let's create an eye socket by removing these faces. Please make sure the eye socket edge loop is selected, and press Alt+Shift+S to make a circular shape. Please press E to extrude, Enter to settle and S to scale. Let's move it inward and press F to fill. Let's create a UV sphere. Let's mirror the mesh. Please make sure the mirror modifier is located above the subsurf modifier. Let's create a mouth. Let's add one more loop around the mouth area by pressing E, Enter before extruding inward once again. Let's create a torus and scale it. We need to create a curve point, and press the 3D button. Let's turn off the normal indicator. Let's extrude the curve point. Please press A to select all and V and A to smooth all curve points. Let's bevel the curve. We can select a curve point and press Alt-S to scale it. Let's create an empty object. We need to add an array modifier to the leg mesh and use the empty object as its anchor like this. Let's rotate the empty object 45 degrees on the z-axis and increase the array count on the leg mesh. Let's create a UV sphere and scale it. Let's apply the materials. Let's unhide the glass mesh by pressing Alt-H. We can make the glass mesh transparent like this. Let's create a ground mesh. Let's subdivide the ground mesh with 128 cuts. Please activate the Node Wrangler add-on to use this feature. Select the node and press Ctrl, Shift and T together to load the PBR images like this. Let's do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. Displacement and bump will do. We need a light source. Let's create a plane, rotate and place it like this. Press Ctrl numpad 0 to see it from the plane's view. Use Shift and backquote to rotate and pan the plane's view. Let's add emission shader with 55 as its strength. We need to lower the HDRI's strength. Let's try 25. We'll need to use Photoshop to mix this render image with a starfield background image. Let's copy and paste the starfield image to the render image. Please arrange the image layers like this. Let's scale the starfield image with Ctrl-T. The glass is not showing. Let's duplicate the layer and adjust its level like this. Let's arrange the layers properly to show the glass object underneath the main render image. This is the end of the Space Alien tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.